Forests transcend boundaries and remind us of our interconnectedness. Our event here today is a celebration of friendship we have with Brunei and of our shared commitment to nature protection. By walking together in this vibrant coastal forest, we acknowledge that we cannot achieve our climate and development goals without preserving nature, and that we can learn from each other on how to take care of our ecosystems. My gratitude goes out to our partners who have made this event possible, including Green Brunei and the Forestry Department of the Ministry of Primary Resources and Tourism.
Brunei Darussalam's national strategy reflects these priorities. One of these is the commitment to plant 500,000 trees by 2035 as a nature-based solution for climate mitigation. As of 14 June 2025, a total of 186,698 trees have been planted since the launch of the BNCCP in 2020 towards achieving this national target. Activities such as today's Nature Wellness Walk are an important part of raising public awareness. Let's continue walking this path forward towards a greener, healthier, and more resilient future for all.
Together, let us embrace the shared responsibility to preserve and protect our environment,
as well as manage our forest resources for the benefit of current and future generations.